If you have a loose bracket that is attached to the wire, leave it in place and cover it with wax as needed. First, dry the area with paper towel or a cotton swab to allow the wax to stick more effectively. Take a piece of wax and roll it into a ball. Press the wax in the affected area. Be sure that it is firmly in place. If the bracket furthest to the back comes off completely, please bring to your next appointment, as there is no need to be seen at this time. Please avoid connecting elastics to any loose brackets. Place wax as needed or trim with nail clippers.